Welcome to a tutorial for the digital submission system for the KSPA contest. This video will introduce the process for advisors to log in for the first time. First step is to simply navigate to betterbnc.com or betternewspapercontest.com. From there you have two options of places to click to get where you need to go. You can either click on contestant login or you can go down here to the login icon. Go ahead and use the contestant login here. Next step is to be sure that you are on the contestant manager tab. You as an advisor need to be there, and then you'll need to choose your contest. Down here you will find many contests. The one that we want is 2017 Kansas Scholastic Press Association Regionals. From the media organization here, you will choose whichever school you are logging in for. So I will choose a school to log in for here. And the first time that every advisor signs in, the password is the same for everyone, and that is very simple. It is BNC, all lowercase. Once you do that, you'll go ahead and click Login here. It's going to take you to a page where we're going to go ahead and confirm a few things. We are going to go ahead and confirm a new password that we're going to go ahead and type in. You'll type in your first and your last name. Go ahead and check your phone number and your email to make sure that those are correct, and then it's going to ask you to confirm your email. Once you do that, you simply need to agree to the terms of use and you click Submit. That will take you to a page that will be very familiar for you for the rest of the time in submitting entries. It will allow you to log into your account and make changes. It will allow you to submit entries and to log out. So you will have logged in for the first time to Better BNC. Congratulations. The next step will be to submit entries as the advisor. Go ahead and scroll down on your instructions and you will see another video tutorial there.